New Jersey. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for small streams in central Monmouth County in central New Jersey until 2:45 p.m. At 8:51 a.m., the level of the Manasquan River at Squantum was cresting about 1/2 foot above flood stage. It will remain above flood stage into the afternoon. The level of the swimming river at Red Bank is falling and will continue that trend into the afternoon. The level of the Shark River at Neptune City is high, but is already crested below flood stage and will fall into the afternoon. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. Stream rises will be slow, and flash flooding is not expected. However, all interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground